equals 8 tens. So the answer to 32 plus 51 is 83. It's 8 tens and 3 ones. Okay. You can even do this with 3-digit numbers. Okay. So we can add 325 plus, actually, let's just add it to a double-digit number. 27. Okay. Sometimes second graders, I write my sevens like that so that I don't get confused that it's a 1 or not. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is, oh, nope, wait, I was moving to the left. I need to drag my hand. I've got to start with the ones place. I must start on the right. So just let's look at the ones place. So I'm going to add the two numbers together. 5 ones plus 7 ones, oh, is 12. Okay, it's 1 10 and 2 ones. So I know, oh, hello, Kitty. I told you he loves math. Okay, so this number here, our answer, 5 ones plus 7 ones, is greater, oh boy, is greater than 9. Okay, so we need to look at the ones place in this number now, our answer, and put it in the ones place here. This 1 represents a 10, so we need to carry that 1 and put it in the tens place here. Now we're ready to go. Let's make these place values very separate. 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3 tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens. So far we have 5 tens and 2 ones. But we still have this 3 hanging out here. The answer to 325 plus 27 isn't 52. That's impossible. That doesn't make any sense. 52 is less than 325. But we added 27 to it. We cannot forget that even because there's no number in here, in this place, we can't forget that we have a number up here. So we have to drop it down. So this is sort of like an imaginary 0, right? So 300s plus nothing is going to give you 300s. So 325 plus 27 equals 352. But what about, let's say, if our that we added 325 plus, let's say we added this to 927, okay? We would do the same exact thing. You would start always on the right side at the ones place. Add the numbers up. 5 plus 7 is 12. You look at this. That is greater than 9, so you need the 2 from the ones place. Put it down here in the ones place. Then you need the 1 from the tens place. Carry it over to the tens place. 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3 tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens. Awesome. Then you would look over here. 300s plus 900s is, well, let's think about this. What is 3 plus 9? It's 12. So you are actually going to put 12 down there. And you would call that 1200. You can write 1200 like that. Okay? Last but not least, what about if we were adding, instead of 27, what about if we were adding 77? Okay? Again, you do the same first steps. Start with the ones place. If your hand's moving this way, grab it. Move it to the ones place. 5 ones plus 7 ones is 12 ones. It's greater than 9, so the 2 from the ones place goes into the ones place. The 1 from the tens place carries over to the tens place. 1 10 plus 2 10 is 3 tens. 3 tens plus 7 tens is what? Now here's a tricky one, right? So do what we did right over here. 1 10 plus 2 10s is 3 10s. 3 10s plus 7 10s, or 3 plus 7 is 10, right? So you're going to take, really what that is this, okay? Because these are not ones, these represent tens. So you're really saying 1 10 plus 2 10s plus 7 10s, right? That's what you're really saying. So you're going to take that 0 from the tens place and put it here. And then you're going to carry your 100. 100 plus 300 is 400. So we're going to learn this and we're going to review it. But the whole point of this, if this has gotten too complicated for you and you're going, whoa, 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 back it up, Mrs. Leano, is when you have two numbers, two double-digit numbers, 25 plus 61, you are going to first, even though you probably could do this, actually 68, even though you could probably do it in your head, or you could do it with a number bond, or you can do it with the drawing. If you're working on the algorithm where you're going to need to follow steps and do it vertically, you got to draw it. Make sure you're drawing the numbers so that they're right underneath each other. The ones are underneath the ones, the tens are underneath the tens. Then you look just at the ones place first. 5 ones plus 8 ones is 13 ones, okay? Or 110, 3 ones. So you're going to take the number from the ones digit and put it in the ones place. Then you're going to take this 10, because this 1 represents a 10, and you're going to carry it over to the tens place. Then you're going to add in the tens column. 110 plus 2 10s is 3 10s. Or another way to say 3 10s is 30. 3 10s plus 6 10s, or 30 plus 60, is 90, or 9 10s. Answer is 93. So the only way that you are going to feel comfortable and confident with this is to practice. You don't have to have a worksheet where someone tells you what to add. Figure it out yourself, just like I've been doing, right? Add some numbers up. Pick 2 random numbers. 65 plus 22. Add them up. 87 plus 19. Add them up. Just start picking numbers and start adding and following. Again, the big thing you have to remember, start at the ones place, and if that answer is greater than 9, you have to take that answer, let's say it was 25, take that number from the ones place, put it in the ones place, take the number from the tens place, and carry it over to the tens place. Because you can't add this number if it's not in the right place. You gotta move it. Okay? So practice makes perfect, you guys. And the more you do this and the more you follow these steps, the better off you'll feel. Good luck. Also,